Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Hedera price prediction and Hedera news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Hedera in 2022. Built as the trust layer of the internet, Hedera hashgraph is currently a public network that allows individuals and companies to build powerful decentralized applications, dApps. It is designed to be a fairer and more efficient system, able to remove some of the limitations faced by older blockchain platforms, such as slow performance and instability. It raised funding through an initial coin offering, ICO, in August 2018, and launched its mainnet open access for the first time just over a year later in September 2019. As part of the ICO, investors were able to purchase their own platform utility token, HBAR, at the lowest possible price. The HBAR token has a dual function on the Hedera public network. First, HBAR supports Hedera services such as smart contracts, file storage, and recurring transactions. Secondly, it is used to secure the network, as HBAR users can stake their own tokens to maintain the integrity of the platform. More recently, there was news that once again shows the interest of game developers in attracting cryptocurrencies and metaverses to their games, which may await us in the near future. But this news is about the well-known video game developer Ubisoft, who joined the Hedera hashgraph blockchain governing board. One of the largest video game developers, Ubisoft Holding, has joined the board of directors of Hedera hashgraph. Ubisoft is about to launch a node on the Hedera network, and is exploring the possibility of using this blockchain in the gaming industry. The French developer has officially announced that he has signed an agreement with the HBAR Foundation. By becoming a member of this ecosystem, Ubisoft will have the right to vote on issues related to the development of the network, and will also be able to manage the Hedera node. Ubisoft intends to use this blockchain in the Entrepreneurs Lab initiative, in which the video game maker works with startups in the field of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Ubisoft is one of the first traditional game creators to experiment with NFTs and interact with cryptocurrency projects. In April last year, Ubisoft became a validator for the Tezos network. A few months later, Ubisoft revealed plans to release Tezos-based collectible tokens for Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Breakpoint. Didier Genevois, CTO of blockchain development at Ubisoft's Strategic Innovation Lab, said that the video game developer is just starting to explore the Hedera ecosystem. With Hedera launching second-generation smart contracts, we see potential benefits for the gaming industry in this blockchain. Hedera can provide a secure and compliant environment for creating scalable games. Distributed ledger technology will become an important element of the gaming industry and open up new opportunities for gamers. Recall that last year, Hedera hashgraph's governing board included DBS and Shinhan Bank, as well as the London School of Economics and Political Science. Since we mentioned the metaverse, the next news will be just in this category. Shark Tank's Kevin O'Leary explores Ethereum, ETH, Polygon, Matic, and these two altcoins as metaverse stakes. Shark Tank investor Kevin O'Leary says he is investing in metaverse altcoins as the nascent crypto sector gains momentum. In a new interview with Kiko News, the famed investor says he sees Ethereum, ETH, Polygon, Matic, Hedera, HBAR, and Helium, HNT, as the software that the metaverse will be built on. If you're willing to buy Facebook or Google or Microsoft, it's all software. And the metaverse is just software, so I'm starting to take positions on some of these big platforms where the metaverse will live, like Polygon, HBAR, and Ethereum. Bitcoin itself is just software. It's not a coin, so I keep telling people that if you're willing to invest in traditional software as a service company like Microsoft, why aren't you investing in Ethereum? Why don't you invest in Polygon, HBAR, Helium, and all these different platforms? I have a pretty wide selection of these different software platforms, and I don't know which ones will be successful, but it's diversification. O'Leary notes that the metaverse can change the way products and brands are marketed. If you believe in the next 3 to 5 years where everything will continue to move online, in particular experimental advertising, you will find it in the metaverse where it will first manifest in games, and so we will see a lot of games happen, and esports is a big part of it. I think that's the direction he's heading in. There are two branches of the metaverse: an unmanaged, uncontrolled metaverse, where if you're a big brand, say Procter & Gamble, you can end up in the metaverse right next to a porn shop. This will not happen on Facebook, where they will oversee the metaverse. This can have a lot of value in the long run, because if I'm building a brand that I'm trying to protect, that means something to me, I don't want to put it next to a liquor store or porn shop, or whatever. In an unregulated metaverse. What do you think about this? Write your opinion in the comments. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Hedera, HBAR, a good investment? How much will Hedera cost in 2025? Or how much will Hedera cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Our team is determined to master the strategy as quickly as possible. The value of Hedera hashgraph is expected to continue rising as scarcity tends to drive the price up. Please note that there is some risk to any investment. Just invest in what you can, before jumping to conclusions, and do as much research as possible. Hedera is currently worth 22 cents United States dollars with a market cap of $4,248,008,320, making it a 32 most valuable coin. How high can Hedera hashgraph go? The average Hedera hashgraph rate could reach 51 cents by the end of this year. If we take a 5-year plan, we calculate that the coin will easily reach $2.13. We have given an analytical forecast up to 2030 inclusive. Perhaps some of this will be useful to you. Hedera course forecasts for 2022 and 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks. Hedera's price will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of 34 cents in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 30 cents, with a maximum price of 34 cents for 2022. HBAR rate forecast 2023. The value of Hedera will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. HBAR is expected to top out at 51 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Hedera's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of HBAR will be between 42 cents and 43 cents, expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of HBAR ranges from 42 cents to 51 cents for 2023. Hedera course forecast 2024. It appears that by 2024, Hedera, HBAR, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2024, we can expect the average rate to be 64 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Hedera's maximum price could be up to 75 cents in 2024. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Hedera exchange rate forecasts for 2025. HBARs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Hedera, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $1.07. HBAR is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 92 cents, a minimum price of 90 cents, and a maximum price of $1.07. Hedera hashgraph, HBAR, price prediction for 2026. According to Hedera hashgraph's price target and technical analysis, in 2026, HBAR price is expected to cross the $2.13 average price level. Hedera hashgraph's expected price low is $2.06 by the end of this year. Moreover, HBAR may reach a maximum price level of $2.58. Hedera hashgraph price prediction 2027. Based on our in-depth technical analysis of past HBAR price data, the Hedera hashgraph price is forecast to be around $2.95 in 2027. Hedera hashgraph rate can peak at $3.58, with an average trading value of $3.04. Hedera hashgraph, HBAR, price